I'm going to be honest with you. Being a human is an incredibly challenging feat to handle. Every day we're required to capacitate the complexities of living, with momentary thoughts turning into anxiety and stress. We forget to do things we've reminded ourselves before. Our conceptions build up, and sometimes we have no outlet to process said thoughts. So recently, I started journaling as part of my daily routine in the mornings, to meditate and reflect on the inner workings of my mind, writing down personal commentary on current situations in my life as part of a year-long goal of self-development towards mental clarity. Outside of journaling, I've always loved sketching ever since a young age, but I've always been pretty selective with the notebooks I use. I've often found it a lot less enjoyable when the paper traction doesn't feel right, which as a result can interfere the transition of ideas. Pretty pretentious, I know. But now I think I've found a solution. The one notebook I can use every day without hesitation. Denik has always been a staple in creating quality small-sized notebooks, perfect for on-the-go situations. With this new design iterated in collaboration with BrandsWalk, the cover is a minimalist dream. Historically regarded as one of the most elegantly designed characters on the keyboard, you'll find a single @ symbol located on the top left region of the cover, as well as on the binding of the notebook. The rounded corners are also a nice touch. The sizing of the notebook measures to 5¼ by 8¼ inches, making the sizing just right in terms of writing comfort and portability. Although white is usually a difficult color to maintain, the Denik notebook has held up pretty well considering I've been using it for 2 months now. The water-resistant matte finish of the cover gives a modernized feel and look to the white colorway and prevents fingerprints from a traditional gloss finish cover. More often than not, the tool you use is just as important as the action in relation to that tool. In this case, writing in a notebook designed with care and thought to detail gives me motivation to use it, and use it well for that matter. The Denik BrandsWalk Layflat notebook is an aesthetically beautiful functional medium that I now use every day. The Denik BrandsWalk Layflat notebook is available now and can be purchased on BrandsWalk.com. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to see a specific product reviewed for future content, please comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.